How to prepare a one-room apartment if you're expecting a baby. In brief, it's impossible to predict everything. The main thing for a start is to arrange a corner for swaddling and feeding. You can think about the rest later, when the child grows a little. Watch the video for the best ways to do it on a budget. If you want to implement the ideas from the video in your apartment, you can purchase the furniture, accessories and textiles you liked from the links below. Tip 1. What to consider when renovating. If you want, even in a one-room apartment, you can organize a space comfortable both for the baby and parents. The main thing is to not overdo it and not to turn your living room or bedroom, which is a versatile room, into a children's room. If you're going to refresh the interior, then choose neutral, monochrome wallpapers or the ones with a contrasting ornament, instead of bright options with princesses, pirates, bunnies or unicorns. This is because babies under 3 months feel more relaxed in a monochrome interior. Adults will also feel much more comfortable in a room with a restrained design. Tip 2. Zoning and smart storage systems are everything. After bringing your baby home, you'll really have many more things in the apartment. To prevent your home from turning into chaos when it seems that the whole room is crammed with rattles, diapers, bottles, you should make sure that everything you need is in its place and always at hand. Arrange a corner for swaddling and feeding in advance. You can easily use a dresser, sideboard or any stable low cabinet as a swaddling table. Just cover it up with a thin mattress or use a removable structure. Place cotton balls, diapers and wipes into plastic containers, preferably transparent ones that look in harmony with the interior design. It will be neat and hygienic. You can put the containers on hanging shelves. When you catastrophically lack the storage room, you must use the walls as much as you can. Children's clothes should be kept separately, but you don't have to buy a separate dresser for them. Just spare a couple of shelves and drawers in the adult wardrobe for the baby's jumpers and bodysuits. You can store toys in hanging, lidded baskets. Replace a comfortable but too bulky feeding chair with a retro-style rocking chair. It will fit into any interior and both the mom and the baby will feel comfortable in it. Cover it with a soft throw blanket, add a couple of cushions, put a compact table beside, and your cozy corner is ready. Tip 3. Deciding between a crib and a cradle. If you plan that the child will sleep with the mom at first, just buy a couple of cheap blankets or plates so as to not stain your favorite sofa's upholstery or bed linen. If that is not your option and you plan that the baby will sleep alone, you should decide on a crib. A cradle is more convenient, it looks nice, but collects a lot of dust and takes up too much space. Besides, keep in mind that it won't last long. The baby will quickly grow out of it. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the furniture and accessories you liked below the video. Embrace the changes.